Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this class, we're going to look at Days of the Week PowerPoint lesson. Let's check it out. As always, I start my classes with the rule slide where we go over the rules, we do some TPR, and I remind the students if they follow the rules, at the end of the class they get a reward. Then I go into the days of the week. So what the topic of the class is. This particular PowerPoint is for more higher level grades in the public school system here in China for the elementary and primary. And I'll try and elicit the days of the week, so they probably know them, and I'll ask them some questions about the days of the week, you know, like how many days, what days do you go to school, etc. Kind of get them thinking a little bit about the days.
Monday.
And then we're going to go over each particular day.
Tuesday.
With the pronunciation.
Wednesday.
I'll use my fingers to count out the syllables.
Thursday.
And also I'll add
Friday.
a number. So
Saturday.
Saturday is day 6.
Sunday
is day 7. And you know, I'll also give them quick questions of, you know, what they do on each of these days and stuff. So this one, I actually read it out as well as allowing them to be able to see it. So we don't go to school this day, so no school on this day. What day would it be?
Sunday.
So we have a whole bunch of different questions just to kind of get them thinking about the different days. I've already taught before and after in previous classes, so if you're doing this as a first class, you're going to have to do before and after. But as a quick reminder, I generally use point my finger backwards for before, point my finger forwards for after, and they generally get the idea. And then we start talking about those number of the days. So what is the name of day 7? Because this is how it works in Chinese. They talk about it being day 1, day 2. So it's very easy and familiar for them to kind of think about this way. And it's a good prompt to get them to pronounce the vocabulary. And then we'll go into a video. I have a whole bunch of different days of the week videos. I prefer less songy videos for this particular lesson and more videos of, you know, cartoon characters or teens or young kids going through the days of the week and what they do on the different days of the week. And then I can relate that back to the students and ask them what they do on their different days and what their day will look like, as that's something that I'll cover later on in the class. And then we go back to this particular lesson game where when's the English class. So the English class, you have to look on, when is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's on Monday and Friday. So this one, they kind of have to do a little bit of searching to find the days, and also they're having to use and to connect the 2 days. Now here is where you can set some group activity where they can test each other's knowledge on what's up on the board. So what does Harry Potter like to do on Friday? And they can say on Friday he likes or he plays chess, for example. So you can set them in groups and partners to do this and they can practice. And then I like to move on to a broader what you like to do. So what here I'll do is I'll probably have a couple of students come to the front of the class and tell me on Monday what they do, and then you can go back and set them into pairs, set them into groups, and they can tell each other and they can move around the class if you so want. Well, I hope you enjoyed that PowerPoint walkthrough. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel and check out the link below to get your free downloadable PPT copy of this lesson. Bye bye.